Now you may be asking yourself, why would I go through all the trouble to grow approximately 20 or 25 pounds maybe of potatoes in a raised bed? Well, here's why. I want you to think about this. Do your research. A lot of the big commercial potato farmers, they spray these potatoes real heavy. There is one certain restaurant that I won't mention that buys their potatoes from one particular grower. And if you see this potato with all the little eyes on it and blemish, now it's not this potato. It's not this type, it's this type that they go for. And if it's got any marks or blemish or bug bites or anything on them, they will not use them. So how do they keep them from getting bug bites? Well, they go heavy, heavy, heavy in chemicals. When they spray the field, the workers have to wear respirators. They're digging them up, they have to wear respirators. They go into this huge warehouse. When they're put in there, anybody around it has to have respirators on. And if I remember right, they cannot touch those potatoes for several months before it's safe to go around them. And then they take these potatoes, they send them to that restaurant, and we go through and get a number 5 with a basket of fries. You're not going to tell me that that chemical does not still stay on that potato or goes away when you cook it. I'm not a science expert on that, but I do know that I do not want any of that in my food. So that's why I try to be as organic. Yeah, this is not a truckload of potatoes, but you know what? It's a good start. I will have 4 times this amount by the time I'm through harvesting, and this bed will be prepped. I can grow something else in the summer, and then when it's done, guess what? In my zone, I can grow another round in all 4 beds and harvest them before I get my really cold weather. So that's why I grow them. And like I always say, if you grow it, you know it.